Hello and welcome. Brett here with ClickMill. In this video, we are going to come over here to versions, and I'm just going to show you what we're looking at here. So this is, again, just another place to see your version history, which is very important. You'll notice this is obviously a new account. We're going to build it together starting a couple videos from now. And you'll see the latest version. This is the live version. Well, what happens here, if this version isn't working, if something broke, I can see what day it happened on, who published it, what the title is. So here this is the test tag. This is where we published that tag, and it's version 2. Why is it version 2? Because we've got the 2 here. This was version 1 and nothing's here. Okay, it's empty. And so we can see all of the things happening in here on version 1. We can see the changes to, the changes to version 2. And then we can see a preview. We can republish right here. We can republish. So we can roll back the changes. We can rename this container. So this gives us a lot of power over any issues that could come up with changing how these tags interact with the website and how they interact with each other. Of course, you can have all kinds of conflicts that can come up, and you'll even get to see some of them as we go into this course and have to work to get certain tags going in real time. So anyway, in the next video, we'll look at the admin settings so you are familiar with what's back there. Then we'll get into building the account. We'll see you there.